I've had this car 2 years, but there's other options here. Go ahead and finish parting it out, guys. It's a great parts car. Here they are, guys. Let's piece them. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and it's time to talk about something, guys. It's time. This is what we need to talk about. It's my 88 coupe Ssp Florida Highway Patrol car. I've had this car 2 years. I've had this Foxbody 2 years and this is the current state. I mean, just look at it. Look at it. Look over here at the rear end. I rebuilt this rear end. Rebuilt it. Missing a cover. Missing parts missing out of the rear end. It's a great parts car. It's been a great parts car. I didn't buy it to be a parts car. You take a look at this paint. What do you think? Yeah, that's a problem, obviously. Take a look at the interior. Just look at this interior. What interior? What interior? It's just holding parts. It's great as a parts holder. Got the engine bay. What's in the engine bay? More parts it's holding. Got a wheel and a tire in there. No engine. Guess the tire's what you need to make the car go around, but it's been a while, guys. It's been a while. And I mean, look at this freaking cow. You guys haven't followed the channel for a while. Know about this freaking cow. Get it up. There we go. There's the cow. Got the cow out of the car. That's kind of how I feel about it right now. You know, honestly, that's what set me back. Finding rust in the cow. Now here's the new cow. It's good to go, but it has to be welded in still. So what I'm wondering, let me know what you think. But there's other options here. There's other options. You know what? Let's go ahead. Let's talk about it. Take a look. There's a lot of other Foxbodies out here. A lot of them are parts cars, or can be. All of them could probably be saved. Well, maybe not those over there, but a lot of them could be saved. Let's take this car for example. Now this is not my car. It's not Matt's car, but just as an example. This Aero GT, well, yes, it's missing the front bumper. No big deal. It's got this Pro Charger intercooler. No engine, no driveline. But you know what it does have? It's got a cow. It's got a cow that is solid. It's got interior. It just needs a drivetrain. I've got a 347 that's being built that can be thrown together very quickly. I can buy a transmission. I could slap a few parts in the rear end. And if I've got a car to put it in, I could have that car on the road in no time. Now I want to autocross in my car, my Ssp. I want to autocross in it. I want to track it. I want to turn corners in a Foxbody. Why? Because it's hard to do. It's hard to do. It's a lot easier in the newer Mustangs, a lot easier. And it's probably never going to be as good as those. And if it is, it's going to ride terrible, but that's okay. That's okay. But should I just go ahead and finish parting it out, guys? I mean, get me a roller. I don't know, rollers are probably expensive now, 4 or 5 grand, but from a time standpoint, go ahead, get a roller. I got an engine being built, get a transmission. Save me a lot of time. Save me a lot of time. So let me know what you think down below. I mean, this project with cow, I think I started this like 9 months ago. Now the new cow's there. I have to finish welding it in, but maybe a year, I don't know. A lot more to do, right? Something to think about. But you know how much time it's gonna save me? Just go ahead, finish rebuilding my engine, get a transmission, save a lot of time. Save a lot of time. So what do you think in the comments down below? Is it time to kick this car down the road? Should I get rid of it? Really, this car is my nemesis, guys. It's my nemesis. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. I was being over dramatic a little bit there, guys. I am not gonna get rid of the car. I'm still interested in hearing your thoughts on it, but no, she is staying here. I have way too much time in this car to give it up. I just can't give it up. Maybe that would be the better way to go, but it's worth saving. It's gonna cost more time. I do understand that, but not only my hands are in it, you know, I have my hands all over this car, but Tiffany, she did all this work here, sanding. I mean, it's become a family car. And I really like this look. And that's part of what I'm talking to you guys about today. I mentioned this car was my nemesis, and it has been. Been looking for a name for the car for a while. I finally have a name for it. This is Project Nemesis. That's right. And I chose that for another reason. It's not just for how it's treated me, it's also because of the theme of it. So take a look at the paint, the FHP paint here. You can see how it's, you know, we're revealing it. Obviously, it's not very clean. It's kind of ratty looking. It almost looks like it's undead. You know, rotting, think about zombies and stuff. Zombies have rotting flesh, right? It used to be skin, it's no longer clean. What does it have to do with Nemesis? Well, if you're a Resident Evil fan at all, there was a character, a zombie character, that was Nemesis. And so
the Nemesis program is now fully activated.
It just fits for me, guys. So that's the name of the car, Project Nemesis. Stars. We're gonna keep it, like I said, still interested in what you guys think about if I shouldn't keep it or not, but we're gonna keep moving forward. And I wanna tell you why we haven't been, what's been the delay. And it's really been about a couple of things. One of those things is I had back issues for a while. That really slowed me down, to be honest with you. My back issues did. It's all better now though, guys. I can work on a car now 6 to 8 hours at a time without having any issues in one day, you know? So that is really good. Back has way improved, saw a chiropractor, got physical therapy, all that. So that's for those of you that were asking about my back. It is much better. Thank you for asking. It means a lot. So now I can really hit this. The other reason why I did not move forward with this, and you guys probably know if you think about it, is shows. The shows, guys. I want to be able to go to the shows. I've already been to Pitts, Chocolate Fox, Ford Takeover, heading to Bleed Ford Blue Fest soon as I'm filming this. And I wanted to go to the shows. I wanted to have a Foxbody at the show. So I needed to get my convertible there. The convertible also had a lot of issues, right? I took the engine from this car and put it in the convertible. So that's where the engine is, you know, but I needed to, right? And it's working great. So that's why we've had the delays on this car. And yeah, I made it a little over dramatic, but really truthfully, I did have all those thoughts. I did really think about just going ahead and get rid of this because of the time. But you know what? I have a Foxbody I can drive now. The time is really not an issue for me, and I want to finish it. I want to finish what I said I was going to do here on the channel. I want it to be a track car like we just talked about, and I want to do that. So that is the plan, guys. That's what's been going on with the car, and now you finally know the name. So welcome to Project Nemesis, and we're going to be getting on this very soon. Very soon. The cow's going to go on a lot quicker now that my back is healthy, and then after that, you'll just see this thing fly together. It's going to be more race car parts. It is going to be my race car. You know, but I already have a street car, right? So I'm not gonna worry about this one riding that well. It's gonna have race car parts in it, and it's gonna be going around an autocross track or a road race track with this paint scheme, hopefully with some police lights on it. I gotta figure what I'm gonna do here. I might just put the spotlight here, throw one up on top, I'm not sure. And it'll be going around the track like a zombie fox, right? But I'm gonna call it Nemesis, because for multiple meanings. You guys know this has been my nemesis. So anyway, let me show you one more thing here today, guys. I finally got my heads. So the 347 is going into this still, and I have heads for you here. Let's take a look at this. Here's the heads, guys. So I think some of you know what I got already, but for those that don't, we're gonna go ahead and reveal these today. So let's go ahead and open these up. Here they are, guys, out of the box. The Trick Flow 11R 190s. Let's look at this twisted wedge, 11Rs, 190cc. I don't know if you can tell. They are the 56 combustion chamber, 56cc. Why that? Because we are going NA. We are going for high compression. Again, track car, not a quarter mile car. When I said race car earlier, it's not a quarter mile car. It's a track car. So that's why we went with the 56cc's, and could have got the bigger ones. Not as much compression, more boost. Not going to do that. These are going to be going over to Adam at Kannapolis Engines, like you may have heard me say there. I'm just really, really excited. So obviously, we're not giving up on this car, right? The 347 could go into a different car, but yeah, no, it's going in this one because I can't wait to drive Nemesis around the track. I got to get used to saying that. I got to get used to calling this Nemesis. I've known about the name for a while, but I haven't been saying it on video. So there you go, guys. That is it. You saw what my new heads are. Really excited about those. Now I just got to get the cowl on and then, you know, like a million other things. But we'll get there. So yeah, this is fun. She's staying, and hope you enjoyed the little extra drama at the beginning. I just threw that in on purpose. I really have been feeling that way, guys, but I'd already made my decision. I typically already make my decisions before the video goes up, but doesn't mean I don't want to hear your thoughts. So yeah, that's it. One thing I didn't mention is we will be doing this whole build on this car on the channel, of course, but here at Fox Mustang Restoration, which is where I'm at. Matt works with me. He's part of the channel. In case you're new to the channel, didn't really, maybe you saw him in the bloopers. which is coming after this. But didn't really see him on the video today, but he'll be helping me with this build and we'll be documenting it all here. But yeah, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're excited about the new name, the heads, and that the car is gonna continue on the channel. So let me know how you feel about all that. I've asked for a lot of comments today, guys, so I guess I'm gonna be busy in the comments, but I do read them all, even if I don't respond. I tried to used to respond to every single comment. It's been a lot harder lately as the channel has grown, but I still try. So don't worry though, I read them. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like. That helps out a lot. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. So you can count on consistent uploads as well as you want to see this project car done. And you will. That is what I'm telling you guys. You are going to see it done. So that's it. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. So these will be going over to, that's Lily. Did you do that or she did that? Oh, that was a Matt blooper there. Freaking cow. This piece of, I don't know about this freaking cow. Get it up. Ugh.